Hey folks, Shadduck the Digital Duck here. I just wanted to share with some folks out there in my People Helping People Club.net folks, actually how you can actually have 4 or 5 windows on the screen, and I'll show you how you can do that and working from different windows on the screen. So let me go ahead and share with you real quick, and I will bring up my main screen here real quick, and there it is. So what we're going to have here folks is you can look right up here in the URL field, which is this field right here that's all blue now. You're going to go gmail.com and hit enter on your keyboard. It's going to bring up this particular list of Gmail accounts. Depending on yours, mine may be different, of course they are, but all of them will be listed here, all of your ones that you have shown and activated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up one of my accounts, and it's going to be this one right here, CFS Digital Enterprises. So we'll click that one open, and we'll say next, and open that folder on up. All right, so we got one folder open right now, and that's called the folder that has all of our information from our Gmail account. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop over to the next folder. New folder is open, and I'm going to do this for 4 folders, and I'll show you how to do that. So what I'm going to do on this one here, I am going to go to the familiar page that we always go to. I call it our work page. And if you type in, if you've been there enough, you see how I did it. It highlighted it and gave it right there. All I have to do is say enter on my keyboard. There is our page, our work page. So let's go over here. Let's go to another folder. Let's go ahead and say DRIVE. See how that loaded? I've been there so many times, it just does it automatically. All you have to do is hit enter on your keyboard. It will automatically load Google Drive. That Google Drive, by the way, is related to this. You see that icon over there spinning? That lets you know that you are in the same account. That is my email account called Stuck in a Rut No More. All right. So we've got that open. We've got our work page open. I got my drive open in case I have to get to something. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up one more in there. And this is our work page that Robert does all of his work from, and all of our information gets loaded onto. So now I have 4 windows open here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting left to right, I always say 1, 2, 3, 4, starting at the left. Each one of these is a separate window, which we can change. So we hold down our left mouse button and click on that tab on there, hold it down, and you see how I drag it down there? Now I'm going to let go of it, right? So now it is a window on itself. So what you're going to do is click on that. I'm going to click on it again. I want you to notice these 2 boxes right there. Those 2 boxes right there represent that you are in a full screen mode. If you do this, it's going to be, you can adjust it. You can actually move this window around anywhere you want. But the cool thing about it is if you come over to the top right corner or any side, you can adjust this window to any size you want. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to adjust this window about that size. What I'm going to do then is I'm going to come up here, hold down my left mouse button, drag that one out, do the same thing, let it go. I'm going to make sure that there's not 2 boxes up there. If you click it, you see I got 1 box. So I'm going to go shrink that window up a little bit. And we'll go up to the top. You see the 2 arrows? You hold down your left mouse button and you just say hold on and wait. So now we got another one, Google Drive. We're going to hold that one, drop it down here, let go of it, right? Go up here and click it so that you only see 1 box. See, there's only 1 box there, not 2. So we're going to change the size of this window. You can click on this blue bar up here and hold it and drag it around anywhere you want to on the screen. All right? You can size it from the bottom by clicking on that. When you see the 2 arrows that point, you can size it up and down any size you want. So what we've got left here is 1 more window to do. It's got 2 boxes. We don't want that. We want it to have 1 box. So we're going to take it there. We're going to resize this window. So here comes the fun part. Watch. Over here, there's a window that I can work on at will. Up here is another window. I'm going to make all 4 windows relatively the same size so it will fit in my display on here. So here we go. We're going to resize the box, and the only time you can resize the window is if there is one box in that middle section. So over here, I'll drag this one over just a little bit, drag it up, and get on the right side or the left, whichever you prefer. Boom. Click it right there. Now there's 2, 3 windows, 4 windows. Watch. I'm going to hover over the side. Boom. All right. We're going to stretch it like so and like so. Now we've got 4 windows. 1, 2. You see how it turns blue when I go? How the highlights, watch. When you're on the window, it will tell you that you're in there. Each one turns blue like that. Here's even more cooler things. Say you want to look at this window and you wanted to do it full, but with that you wanted to leave the 4 windows on the page. All you would have to do is go back to enlarge. And if that doesn't work, you don't like that, you're done there like with Robert. You're going to go to responses like so. You're going to go to your Excel spreadsheet like so. There's going to be your work page, Robert. Now you can leave this thing just all alone, or you can drop it down like that. Make it a small box, right? Now you're going to see, make that a small box. Now I've got all kinds of windows on the screen, 5 of them, right? Different windows. You can move them all over the place, any size you want. You can grab your worksheet, move it up over here and say, I want to work on my worksheet, make it large. Not anymore. I want to minimize it. And if you really want to get slick, just put it down to the bottom. Watch this. Minimize all 5 of these windows that I have opened and resized so that we could push them on the screen any way we want. So we're going to minimize all of them. Where did they go? How come I don't see them? Well, here's the reason. All you have to do is hover over your Google Chrome icon. You're going to see every window that you have open on your display, starting from left to right. People Helping People Club, that's our form. My Gmail box, it's my welcome to our work page. Click on it, it brings up the page. If it's not big enough for you, click on that. There you go, nice and big, right? Done with it, click that, put it back to minus. Come over here, hover over your Google Chrome icon down here. You can go to any page you want. And this is what's cool, watch. This page here, I'm going to arrow back. It's going to take us back to the previous page. This is really, really cool if you get lost. It's in my Google Drive. That's where I want it to be. I'm going to bring it back down to the small window, minimize it, bring it down to my Google desk. And so now you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 5 different folders all open, ready for me to come in, do my job, do whatever. Like Robert's here, he's got 1, 2, 3 folders down here. Each one of those folders will open up for him. That's how he does his job. All right. So we can all do this, and it's super simple to do. So I'm going to pop back down here. I'm going to minimize that. So right down here is your work desk. You can put all these folders on the top of your desk. Hover over your desktop is what it's called, and you can go to any work desk you want. So I wanted to go here. I wanted to see how many people. I know that there's one right there. That has got me 9 registered, 9 responses, all right? I just know that that's what we had before we started, so there's been no action. So we're going to minimize. And we're going to actually shrink the window, then minimize. Hover back over my desk down here, and I'm going to want to go over to this one right here. This is my Gmail. I'll just go and click the box there, make it nice and big and in charge, right? Yeah, I can do whatever I want. If I wanted to, I could add another folder here. I could just go in here and click anything I want. Let's just say that I could do my BitPay login. You can open up as many folders as you like to do that, and you can log into BitPay and all that good kind of stuff. So you can see I got $5.86 worth of Bitcoin in there. And all I got to do is log on out, right? Log out, bingo. I'm done with that folder. I'll close the whole folder. Goodbye, good night. Now I'll minimize this, shrink it down. I mean, not minimize, resize. Now I minimize it. Once again, it goes down to my Google Chrome desktop. I've got all 5 of these folders open, ready and waiting for me to just go up and make it big and in charge and go do my job. When I get done, I just click that, minimize it, and put back on my desktop so I can see what's going on from right down below here. So there it is. I'm going to stop screen sharing with you. I hope that helps everybody realize that when all the windows you've got all these different windows. You can put them anywhere on your screen you like, and you can resize each window. So sorry about the bright light up here shining off my head, but I hope this helps everybody on my team, and thank you so much, everyone, for doing what you're doing. I'm having so much fun, I can't stand it. I love it, I love it, I love it, and I love every one of you folks. So I'm going to stop for now. We shall see you soon. Take care and have a great day. Bye.